Next month, we're flying to Boracay for a weekend trip. I was looking for a sling that I can use as a pocket replacement that's large enough for my travel documents such as my passport and boarding pass, and it can also fit my everyday carry gear such as my phone, my wallet, my AirPods, my power bank, charging cables, and maybe even keys. I wanted to have water-resistant materials because we're most likely gonna ride the boat to get to our resort. And if it's not fully packed, I want it to also be large enough so that it can fit a small camera, my Sony A6000. Maybe it was just good timing, but an EDC brand called Tactical Geek reached out to me and said, "Hey, can you test our EXT14 compact crossbody EDC and pouch?" And I said, "Cool, the design is so creative." They don't have a say on how I made this video, and my observations and opinions are based on a 2-week testing period.
This video is not sponsored. I do get to keep the sling.
But if you like this video, or any of Tactical Geek's bags, and you want to support my channel, you can purchase from the affiliate link below. This allows me to partner with more awesome brands like Tactical Geek and make more reviews like this one.
You can also support Tactical Geek's Kickstarter campaign for the EXT14 when you check the link in the description. For the dimensions, width is 150mm or 5.91 inches, height is 195mm or 7.68 inches, depth is 70mm or 2.76 inches. Weight is 176 grams, making it a very light sling. Capacity wasn't mentioned on the site, but it feels like 1.5 liters, since my small camera can fit, even if it also has my wallet and keys inside. For the exterior materials, this wolf brown version comes in T500 ripstop nylon. It's durable and water resistant and tear resistant. When I opened the packaging for the first time, I was super impressed by the quality of the materials. It also comes in other colors and lightweight materials like X-Pack. The hook and loop panel area allows you to customize your bag with your favorite patches. There's also another area here under the main flap for additional patches. Where do you buy your patches? Comment down below so I can finally buy one. These YKK zippers are water resistant since they have PU coating. And you can really bring this sling to outdoor adventures and you don't have to worry about stuff getting wet inside. These zippers from Tactical Geek look really high quality. But just in case there are problems with your sling, Tactical Geek offers a 1-year free repair service for quality issues such as zipper damage or stitching unraveling. Stress points on the stitching are covered by a lifetime warranty. This gives us peace of mind because we want our stuff to last. As for the hardware, the main magnetic buckle is Fidlock. When it comes to opening this, it takes a while to get used to. So don't worry because it's not something that thieves can open easily. You'll probably be confused. Because I've been only testing this for 2 weeks, one-handed operation is not that easy. Notice that there's this extended portion of the top flap that has the tendency of blocking the buckle. But it's not much of a concern, and maybe it's also a security feature. There are multiple attachment points with Molle webbing so you can hook on your carabiner. Here, I've attached my Nighteyes S-Beaner. You can also attach flashlights, pens, or other EDC tools. As for the strap is made from seatbelt grade nylon. It's comfortable to wear even if it's thin, although don't pack too many things, because you're gonna feel the strap more on your shoulder. The strap can also be easily detached, so you can turn it into a pouch. The strap length is 810mm to 1360mm or 31.89 inches to 53.54 inches. The strap has this hardware that allows you to pull the strap to make it longer even when worn. Although I found it hard to shorten the strap when worn, so I still had to remove the bag to make some adjustments. Both sides of the shoulder strap feature a Molle attachment system allowing you to place small EDC gear. It's also another good spot for a carabiner. I love the options that are provided by this bag. And this is what it looks like when I'm carrying the sling. I'm 5'8" for your reference. Because the strap is thin, it's a very good crossbody sling for travel, even with a backpack on. I haven't decided yet what bag I'm gonna bring, and I'm choosing between two of my favorite one-bag travel backpacks, the 40-liter Navigator A82 travel backpack, or this expandable bag smart backpack called Blast Quick Access 28-liter to 38-liter. Comment down below what I should bring to my trip. Branding is very subtle and it only has this tag here that says Tactical Geek. Let's open up the bag so you can see what I packed inside. In the front quick access pocket, I have here my keys. I also have my USB-C to lightning cable. Here, you get a preview of the orange ripstop lining that's used in the entire interior of the bag. When I open the main compartment, you can also clearly see that I have access to the front quick access pocket because I'm able to pull out my charging cable. Same orange ripstop interior. In the top quick access pocket, I have here my AirPods. And this is a good spot to place your pen. It's large enough so it can also fit other backup EDC gear, like a pair of wired earphones. When you open the buckle, you can see that there are these two slanted open pockets. You can either place coins here or the card that you use when you commute. Just don't place cards that are super valuable, because it's not the most secure slot for your credit cards or IDs. Now let's open the main compartment. You can see that it's completely full of my EDC and travel gear. Starting with my Anchor power bank, my passport, my phone, my wallet, and at the bottom of the bag, I have here my Osmo Action 4. Here you can clearly see the T40 lightweight tear-resistant lining in orange, giving you good visibility. You can also see that it has this card slot that features a pull tab so you can easily access your cards. The website of Tactical Geek said it could fit 6 to 11 cards. But since I wanted it to have more space, I just placed one ID. It has RFID protection, giving you peace of mind that no one can scan it to steal your information or make unauthorized transactions. The main compartment features an elastic mesh divider for additional organization. Because the sling is a top loader and it's long, if there are accessories that are placed in this pocket or at the bottom of the sling, you'd have to take everything that's above it to access those items. There's something to keep in mind. Overall, I had fun testing this for 2 weeks. I can't wait to bring this to my trip. I look forward to making more memories with the sling. If you want to support Tactical Geek's Kickstarter campaign, I've placed the link in the description below. You can get a discount for any of Tactical Geek's products and support my channel at the same time if you purchase from the affiliate link below. If you want to see more of my favorite crossbody slings, click on any of the links here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye-bye!